Perfect.
Alright, y'all. What's going on? It's your boy Scarfinger, and this is the final product of the first of the two paintings that I did. Really, the whole point was I wanted to make something with that color. I wanted to make that kind of a dark wine, kind of almost maroonish type color. I wanted to mix the color myself, so that's why I did that. And I couldn't really think of a whole lot to go with it. And then I was like, you know what? I should flip cut this. And this is what I came out. It's kind of a dark purple galaxy, well, dark wine galaxy. I did put some alcohol, and I did not use silicone. I used silicone in the next one, and this is basically what I came up with. Now I admit the lighting situation isn't ideal, but I like the difference between like the swirly parts here and there and the dots. It makes it look more galaxy like. I know the lighting situation isn't ideal, but I'm trying my best here. And yeah, I dig it. And you know, I also wanted to go back to a square painting because I haven't done very many square paintings in quite some time. So yeah, I wanted to get back to it, and this is where I started, and I had fun with it. I want to do something different, and I did do something different, and I kind of overdid it, but I'll explain that one on the next painting. So do the things like, share, subscribe, facebook.com/ptcac. It's your boy. Holla.